Hi everyone, today I'll be prepping for paint. Still need to sand a bunch, install a bunch of things, get wires hooked up, all sorts of stuff. So hopefully we'll make it today and get that deadline of spraying. Hey everyone, so it's supposedly the night before painting, and I have a lot of stuff to do. I've been running the stores all week, in the morning and after work and in between when I can, to get all the supplies I need. And I've been sanding every morning, sanding every night, getting as much stuff as I can done. But we still have stuff to do. I need to degrease this stuff because there's a little bit of grease from the packaging on this. Finally sand it all down. Then I need to test the compressor. I need to test the guns, and I already put them together, but I need to like cinch them tight. I need to mask off the backyard. I need to buy an angle iron and install it in the backyard so I can hang stuff from it. There's probably like 5 hours of work I need to do. And we're clocking in right now. It's 5:35 and it's 102 degrees in the garage. And so we're just gonna keep at it and see what we can do to get to this deadline of possibly spraying tomorrow morning, like 5 a.m. Check the weather, all that kind of stuff. But I'm just gonna push through and see if I can make it. So stay tuned. Well, we're clocking in at 11 p.m. at night. I did get everything accomplished I wanted to. I'm not sure why I give myself deadlines like this, but you know, that's kind of what I do. I have the time to do stuff in between work and stuff, and so I try to make sure I get everything done so I can get that freedom of time, because I know spraying could go wrong, and I just want to have enough freedom to where I'm not against the wall where I have to go to work or do something like that. So in the next video, we should be spraying, so stay tuned. Have a great day.